On this particular day, on returning from our game drive, we were surprised to see this elephant in camp. Here the elephant pushes over this flat crown tree in order to get to its root system. Visitors to the camp were provided with a close-up view of this magnificent animal as it went about eating roots and the foliage off the trees. Unfortunately, while engaging in a body scratch, it accidentally demolished one of the fire hydrant walls. He then crossed the camp road and headed for some trees next to the camp shop, after which he crossed the exit road at the petrol hut in order to feed on a few more trees before heading off back into the bush. Mpila Camp in the Umfolozi Game Reserve is a popular place with local South Africans. It is located in the south of the two game reserves, Tlhuthlui and Umfolozi. All the accommodation is self-catering and there are no game fences around the camp, so one has to be very careful, especially at night when hyena and bush pigs frequently visit the camp.